Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video we want to continue about the authentication microservice we are working on, and today I will show how we can confirm and verify the token we are sending based on the login we have done earlier. So for this I need to create a function up here in Flask, and the first function we want to build should be the token. And the token should called Flask token, and then we need a static method, and the method should be verify. And for now that's good to go. Then we can going back for the app file and copy this down, and we just call it verify down below. And what we want to go inside here should be the token, and we want to Flask token inside here, and then going down and say verify. It's still a get method we want to use here, and that's what we want because we just want to send a token inside and then verify about the token can be open. If it can, then try to verify the information inside the token. So let's going back for the token here, and in the token we expect a header. So let's going for the rest here. I'll go inside here, and you can see we have the test here and we get a token. We just copy the token just for now, and then going for verify, and then I want to send the token inside, and we just send it. And you can see we have a send here with the X out token. That's meaning if I'm going inside here to say return hello world, and then going back here and send it, we should have return hello world. And then I want the authentication token, so I want to build a request up here. Should be logging. We need logging, and we need to export it as a JSON. So based on here and JSON utility, and then we use dumps, and then we need to from Flask import response and request. That's what we need for now. And request here and headers authentication token, and that's only if the token inside, if the token exists, else we get none. So let's just print out the token and see what working here. And now you can see we have returned the token. So let's go back for the editor and continue. So if the token match something, then we do something, and else we do something else. That's what we want. So let's go in for the account here and just copy down here, because I'm too lazy, so I just copy this. And going back and say if no token is here, then it should be error, and else it's okay. And then I will remove this one. So let's going back and test it out here, and status okay. And then I try to hide this token, and then it should be unauthorized. So let's click it back again and then confirm it's okay. What I'm doing now is I want to add the login, and for this I want to say token token verify succeeds and response 200. And then we're going back down here and say it's failed, not exist, and then response 404. But if we do this way and we don't do anything else, then meaning everybody can just guess about the authentication token and then send it with a header, and then you're logged in as something. And we don't want that, so we want to build a new function. I'll create a new class, call it auth. You can see here AUTH, and inside here I want a class called token authenticate auth token, and I need 2 static methods inside here. The first one should be decode token, and I want the token should be a string, and then I want to say static method, and the next one should be verify, and should be a string 2. And let's just to return the token. That's fine for now. And going back with the token here and going up at the top, and we will say from library authentication import auth token, and the new one. And down below here we will prepare about something, and that should be the token. We want to say token verify is equal to verify token is equal to auth token, and then we're going up here, and then we just say if it's verify, then we do something else, and what we are doing is just return a true, and if something is going wrong, we want to return and say you're not enabled to get access. And of course I will move this down here, and the same here, and should be failed. And let's try it out again, see about what the response will be. And we still response as it should be, so that's fine. We want to return the token, so if something is going up, then we can say token verify and just see what happened. You can see the token is inside here, so that's fine. Let's going back for this one. That's what we want. We want to work with this area right now to build the decoder and verify the token. So let's first verify the token here to say logging here, logging info, and then say token verify, look up, and of course we need some imports up here, and then we need a Mongo engine errors does not exist, that's what I want, and then we need a ODM account import account, and that we want to work with because we need to look up about the token is correct in the moment. So for now I just say if the token exists, that's meaning if it's different from none, then we want to go inside and say token is equal to authentication decode token, and token is equal to token, and we just say return token. If everything is working well now, then we should still see the token when we press send here, and we do this, so right away it's still working as we expect, so that's pretty great. And I just moved this because it should be before, and then we go inside and say try account objects, and then we say get the primary key should be equal to the token ID, and the token should be the token, and then we expect does not exist, and then we need to return false, and if the token is false we need to return none, something like that. And this should be giving an error now because we don't have decoding the token yet. So as we expect, it's a bug. So let's just going down here to say login info, and then say account matched the query token verify succeeds, and then we need to go down below here before the return, not match the query and token failed. We will use this to debugging, so it's good to do. And then we're going up here on the decode token, and for the token I will decode it by using the try, and then say the token is equal to JWT, and then of course I need to import the JWT to import OS and import the JWT. That's what I need for now. I'll just put it up here just for it's looking better. And then we have decode here, and the token we want to decode is this one, and then we need to get the environment, and then we have the environment should be the JWT secret, the token secret, sorry, token secret, and the algorithm we want to use should still be the HS256. That's the default one, and then we need to expect and say JWT decode error. If it's taking this, we say token is equal to none. Then we reset the token. Let's put up the login up here and say token decoded succeeds. Decode token is succeeds. I think it's better to understand. Is failed. And then we just save it again and going up here and press it up, and token is true. So what I want to round off before we are done here is a token, so I'll just say the verify, and then it's should be changing here, and then it's working. So that's a little bit from how we can sending the token inside and then decode it and then verified by the database in MongoDB. And I basically just used the ODM from Mongo. It's pretty easy, you can see, and I save a lot of time. And I really hope you want to enjoy this video. I really hope you want to subscribe my channel and follow me in the future, and I will push all the videos from this project. And you know, I built this project because I'm getting stuck in other projects and I'm too lazy to code the same code twice, so that's why I'm creating this. And thank you for subscribing, and I really hope you want to smash the comments to feedback, and if you have any questions, please make them below in the comments. And you very lovely too if you want to hit the like button and the share button, and of course put it to your playlist, you always know that. So thank you one more time, and hope to see you next time. Bye.